Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to do a makeup haul because I did get some I did pick up some products. So I had got stuff from Ulta, like a couple things from Sephora, Walmart, BH Cosmetics. If you like to see what I got, then just keep on watching. So most of the products are in, most of these products are in this box from Ulta. Well, I'll put the majority of the products in this box. So the first thing that I got was the Real Techniques Miracle Face and Body Sponge. And y'all, this thing right here, let me show, hold on. This thing is huge. I mean, it's huge. Even when it's dry, it's huge compared to the face one. Look at this. Don't mind it's dirty, okay? I used it. But look at this thing. Look at, hello? This thing, every time. Oh my God, this, all right. You see how it is when it's dry? That means when this thing is wet, it is gonna be enormous. Like, I can't wait to use this on my face. Every time I look at this, I just be cracking up. But yeah, I had got the sponge. I also picked up the 618 Kokie brush, foundation brush. It's dirty because I use it. I picked this up from Walmart. Oh, and I got this from Ulta, but I picked this up from Walmart. And I like how it applies, because my face is big, it's round, and I use this and it helps me apply my foundation quicker. So I got this, and I got it because I think her name is Juicy Jazz on YouTube. She uses this, and plus it's cheap. So for foundation, moving on to foundation. So I have 6 foundations. I only picked up the Milani Concealer Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. I got the shade Tan. This might be too, I can't choose my foundations, alright? I can't never find my shade. I don't know how to do this. Yeah, so I got the shade Tan, and I really can't wait to try this out. The next foundations I got were the new ones that came out, the LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation in the shade Cafe and Sand. So this is too dark, I think, and this is too, well, you could, in the bottle it looks like this is too dark and this is too light. So I'll probably have to mix the two together to get my shade. But I can't wait to try this out. The next foundation I got is the Fenty Beauty Foundation by Rihanna. I have a shade 330. I had 310, but it didn't match, and it was too light. So I had it for about 2 months. And I never used it. I took it back though, like maybe a couple of weeks ago, maybe last week I think. And I got the shade 330, so I'm hoping this matches me, and I can't wait to try it out though. To concealer, I have 3 concealers. I have the Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C10. Oh, the next concealer I have is the Ulta Beauty Full Coverage concealer in the shade Tan Warm. This is the Ulta. This is the Ulta one, this is the Makeup Revolution, and this is the Colourpop. So yeah. And then I also picked up the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. I have the shade Golden. I haven't used it yet, and I'm about to, oh. And I'm not about to use it, swatch it, but I'll use this in a video soon. But I have is the Patrick Star in MAC collaboration powder. I bought this long ago too, haven't used it in a while, and the rest from Colourpop. So the one I have from Wet n Wild, I have the, what is this? Not a Basic Peach palette. I can't wait to use this. I can't wait to use this. So the reason I got this, I also wanted the is it the Rose palette? Or I don't know, the other Wet n Wild one, the one that looks like the dupe for the Modern Renaissance palette. I wanted that one, but it was sold out. I was like, dang. I love the colors in here, and I can't wait to use that. So, okay. So the next palette I got is the Cute AF Yes Please palette by Colourpop. This old, haven't used it yet. I love the colors in it, those color selections. The next one I got is the Give It To Me Straight palette. Bam. This right here. This is my jam. So this palette here looks pretty cool. So the last palette that I have from Colourpop is the Kathleen Light's Dream Street palette. What? This is the one I have in my eyes. If you want to see me if you want to see a video of me using this, please let me know down in the comments below. I'll probably do it anyway, but bam. When I got this palette, I ain't gonna lie, I wanted to use these two. I mean, when I seen the palette, I wanted to use these two shades, but I was scared. I ain't gonna lie, I was scared. I was scared to use it. I was scared. So I didn't use it. For highlight, I got the Spotlight highlighting palette from BH Cosmetics. Bam. See that? And I have the shade Dream right here, this middle shade. I'm wearing that now. Y'all see it? And it's beautiful. It's popping. It's popping. I like it. It's glowing. As for highlights, I got the Makeup Revolution. I don't know how you pronounce her name. Is it Soph? I don't know. Highlighting palette. Man, most of these packages feel like you gotta break a damn nail to get this shit open. No. So, bam, here it is. I know for sure I'm not gonna use these two. Maybe not by themselves. And this is too, I don't know, too bronze probably for me. Yeah, but I know for sure I use maybe I don't know, but we gonna see. I know for sure this one calling my name. This one right here. This is the e.l.f. Activate. I don't know, I do it box way. But it has the, one side it has the sweat resistant mascara and then the sweat resistant clear brow. This right here, look, the mascara, love the wand. Cause I don't do lashes, so perfect for me and for my bottom lashes. Cause I'll be swearing I feel like I ain't got no bottom lashes, but I got some. The clear brow gel part, pretty good. But this right here is good. I got the Bobbi Brown. I picked up like 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, 3 of them are the same and 3 are different. So, but I got them in these 3 in different shades. So I have Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Foundation. This one is in Golden Honey. I ain't taking it out the bag. This one is in Cool Golden. So okay, so for this one, I was over there looking at the foundations, and the lady gonna come out of nowhere and was like, how you doing, blah blah blah, do you need help? I'm like, no, I'm just looking for the foundation I was looking for so I can get a sample. This girl go out of nowhere talking about something. Oh, this one looks like your sage. This one is your... She's like, exactly. I can't... At first she was like, I can't tell because the sun is blah, blah, blah. I'm like, how you gonna try to tell me it's my perfect sage, but you can't tell because of the sun, right? So I'm like, go on with your business, go on. But yeah, so she told me to... I just got it because she doing her job, right? So I don't know. But I got the shade Cool Golden, and I'm like, when I see... This too dark. I mean, this is too... It's not too dark, but it's dark for me. I did a swatch, whatever. And then I got the shade Honey. This might be too light, so that other one might be cool. The Golden Honey. This is just regular honey. I don't know. We gotta do them side by side, so yeah. The other three I got was the Dior Forever Undercover. I got the shade 041 in ochre. I think that's the shade. I don't know if she did put it on the bag. They be stingy with the colors. I mean with the product they trying to give you. Cause I guess they be like, a little goes a long way, a little goes a long way. But it's like, you gotta understand, a lot of people got more problems on their face, like scarring. They trying to cover up or they want to do, like, say if it's not full coverage as they say it is, they want to, you know, add another layer. They stingy. I mean, I wouldn't say they stingy. They just, I guess they want to make sure, I don't know, but they didn't give me a lot of product. Now, the lady who wrote this one, because she wrote it bigger, she hooked me up. I mean, she was pumping like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. She pumped. She was like, you gotta try the product out. You can't just use this little bit. She was like, she hooked me up. She hooked me up, y'all. I also picked up the Marc Jacobs Shameless foundation. I got the shade Y420. I hope this matches. I don't know, but I picked up this one. She gave me, like I said, the same lady, because I had two different people, but the lady who wrote this one, this big old whatever, she gave me a lot of products for those. And then the last sample foundation I got was the NARS Natural Radiant foundation. I don't even know how to pronounce this. Valencia, I don't know. Okay, start with a V. I got this one, this shade. I think this one might be too light. I mean, not too light, but it might be light. I might have to mix. I don't know. I have to try it and show y'all. I want to wear them, but it's like, this shade is called Getty. Getty. Here, I will swatch on my arm for you guys because I want to use it. I ain't gonna put it on my lips, so. Y'all see. Y'all see that? My swatch is ugly, but I don't give a fuck. That's pretty. And we got at, what the hell is this? Aeronaut? I don't know. This is like a black right here. This is black. Let's see. It's creamy. Y'all see that? Man, that's beautiful. And this haul has come to an end. I hope you enjoy me showing you what I picked up, what I got, and what I can't wait to try. But if you'd like to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.